Liz, how did you go at the Sydney Blooms workshop?
Amazing. I had a wonderful time. Yeah, I am so happy. I got 2 paintings finished in 4 days. I didn't think I'd be able to do it. It was really great.
You did an awesome job. The other very beautiful, deep, fluffy pink peony, which
Yes.
I would have usually panned down to, you already packed it in the car.
I did. I didn't know I had to keep it up.
It would have been nice to see.
It's safely put away in the car.
Take our word for it. It looks fabulous, and it's a lovely contrast to this very delicate one that you've done,
It is,
where
yeah.
you've learnt lots about colour mixing and pulling out the shapes and things like that. So well done, you. And this one was done in just 1 day, the equivalent of a day.
Amazing techniques.
Yeah.
Jack, yeah.
You really enjoyed it?
I did, yeah.
It was lovely to have you girls.
Thank you so much for having us. We had a great time.
Yeah.
And I hope to see you again.
Yeah, me too, you. Be lovely. And I'll certainly see you in the online How to Paint Blooms painting
yes.
reviews.
Yes, I'm doing that.
So that's cool.
So you'll see me there.
That'd be wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Liz.
Thank you, Jack. Yeah.